Namaste everyone, welcome to Hamsa Yoga. Today we are going to learn how to do step by step Mayurasana. Before that, what is Mayurasana? Mayura means peacock, also known as Peacock Pose. Mayurasana is an advanced arm balancing asana. Before that, if you are a new visitor to our channel, please do subscribe and click a bell icon and you are not going to miss any video from our channel. Contraindication of Mayurasana. If you have any injury in the wrist, elbows and the shoulder, should avoid this. Those who are suffering from hernia, peptic ulcer, high blood pressure and cardiovascular disease should avoid this. And pregnancy women are strictly recommended to avoid this asana. So let us do how to do Mayurasana step by step and benefits of Mayurasana. Step 1. Start by sitting on your heels and ensure that your knees have enough space. Place the palms on the floor that your fingers point towards your body. Now slowly stand on your knees, then try to bend your elbows smoothly and push down towards the abdomen. Now slowly lean forward, forehead on the floor. Maintain here as long as possible and try to hold. This is step 1. Step 2. If you are able to do step 1, the next step is take your legs one by one to the backward. Now try to lift your forehead from the mat. Put your all body weight on your hands. Hold as long as possible. This step 2 is very important because it strengthens the shoulders, wrist and the elbows. The next step is 3. After applying the step 1 and the step 2, try to lift your one leg above from the ground. Try to maintain the balance and hold. As long as possible you can. For the beginners, due to elbows are pressing to the abdomen, they may feel difficult to breathe. They may practice slowly by taking rest. After that, they can repeat this asana. Next, step 4 and the final. After applying the all step, now try to lift your other leg from the floor. Put your all body weight towards the hands. Try to maintain and balance. Hold this pose according to your strength as long as possible. In the beginning, you may feel like fall down, but it's okay. It may take some days of practice. Benefits of Mayurasana. The person suffering from diabetes will find this pose beneficial. As a peacock destroys the snake, this asana kills the toxins in the body. It improves the digestion. This asana helps strengthen the shoulders, wrist, elbows and the spine. It detoxifies the body and helps to get rid of skin problems such as acne, pimples and dark spots. Improve the function of liver, intestine and the kidneys. Improve the concentration and helps to maintain the mind-body balance and also helps to reduce the risk of such as acidity and constipation. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family and try to practice according to your strength and see you on next video. Until then, namaste.